All right. Just Graves is asking, with sync fees, is it direct deposit or is it just a check? If so, do you have it made out to you or your company? Quite a few different questions going on there. Really, really good questions. So in terms of direct deposit or a check, it can be either one actually. So I've worked with kind of different types of libraries, and some of them, when I get a sync fee, they'll just literally send it directly to my bank account. They'll do a bank wire, right? Other times they need to mail me the check. So it just kind of depends on the client, the library, how their system is set up, and how pretty much the library would prefer to pay you, and a lot of times also how you would prefer to be paid. So just like with any independent contract work, sometimes you can get a direct bump of cash from like an app or from a direct deposit, or you can get cash, or you can get a check. You're not going to get cash in this business, so I'll definitely let you guys know that there are no cash payments going directly to you, and there shouldn't be. If there is, you got to make sure that you're getting receipts and keeping good records. But I have never gotten any sort of big, large cash, payment in the mail or something like that. It's always been through something that can be traced a little bit better than that. Okay. And the second part of that question is, do you have it made it out to you or your company? Well, it depends. So if you do have an LLC or an S Corp that you're operating under, then you're probably going to want them to send that check to your company, right? And then through that company, you would be giving yourself a salary. So you'd have to go get a payroll company set up. So we're not going to get into those kind of details of how to do all that. There are plenty of resources you can type up on Google search or YouTube, how to set up an LLC, an S Corp, how to set up a payroll company, or go hire one to do it for you. They're not too expensive. So if you're using a company like that, then yes, they're going to need to pay that company. And then through that company, you would pay yourself. Okay. But if you're just doing sole proprietorship, which is what I've done in my career for my entire 12 years in this business, all checks are just going straight to me. They sign that check right to my name. That check goes right into my personal bank account. It's personal income. And then I have to report that, obviously, my year-end taxes as part of the income that I earned through sync licensing, through this 1099 independent contract world that I participate in. Okay. So hopefully that helps answer that.